Try you searching for a migration tool to migrate your mailboxes from Google Apps to Office 365 account. We brings you the solution. SysTools G-Suite to Office 365 Migrator software. Our software allows you to migrate G-Suite domain data of multiple users to Office 365 account. Now let's check out the other features. Our software provides domain facility to migrate multiple users of your Google Apps domain at a time. Move emails, contacts, calendars, etc. from your Google Mail account to your Office 365 account. Impersonation option is provided to import multiple accounts of G Suite to Office 365. You can filter items while exporting, and apply date filter for transferring data of particular date range. Now let's install and run the software. The single user option lets you migrate individual user of a Google Apps or G Suite domain. Now let's check out the domain user option and see how to migrate multiple users of a Google Apps domain. First of all, let's check the steps to register Google APIs. You have to log into your Google Apps admin account with the username and password. After entering the login credentials, click Next button. Now from the admin console, select the security option. Now from the security window, select the Advanced Settings option. Within the Advanced Settings, click on the Manage API Client Access link to proceed further. Here in the respective fields, you have to enter the client name and one or more API scopes. You can see the lists of authorized API clients and the API scopes below the field options. You have to register your client in the Authorized API Clients settings and enter the client name and scope in the respective fields. After that, click Authorize button to save the settings. Now you have successfully saved the settings. Now let's continue the migration process with our software. In the first field, enter the admin user ID of G Suite account and click Browse button below. Here you can see the with impersonation and without impersonation export options to choose. You can click on the View Sample CSV link to see the CSV sample file containing the login credentials. You have to save the user credentials in similar format. Now for example, let's select the with impersonation option. Selecting the View Sample CSV link will show you the format in which the user credentials has to be saved. After selecting the option, click OK. Select the CSV file containing the user data credentials of the G Suite mailboxes and click Open. After that, click Register button. A small window appears. Click OK, and you will be redirected to Google Admin Account login page for authentication. Now enter your Google Apps admin ID in the field option here. After that, enter the password in the next field and click Next button. Google will ask you for the permissions. Click on Allow button to proceed. The account will be verified, and after that, you can see the username will appear below. Now click Next to proceed. In the next window, you can see further options. With impersonation checkbox is selected by default. The Office 365 admin account must be impersonated for selecting this option. Now let's check out the impersonation process. You have to log in to your Office 365 admin account. Now, enter admin mail ID and password in the respective fields. After that, click Sign In button. Now from the home page, select the admin option. Another window opens, and select Admin Center option from below. Now select the Exchange option from the submenu. You can see the Exchange Admin Center dashboard appears. Now select the permission option. You can see further options will appear below. Now select Discovery Management option. You can double-click the option, or click Edit button on top. Now you can see the Discovery Management tab opens. Then under the Roles option, click Add button. Then select the Application Impersonation option from the next tab. Click Add button. After that, click OK. Now click Add button under the Members option. Now select the member from the browsing window. Click Add button. And click OK. And click Save button. Now you have successfully impersonated the Office 365 admin account. Now let's continue the migration process with our software. After choosing the With Impersonation option, enter the Office 365 admin ID in the field below. After that, enter the password in the next field, and click Login button. After successful login, click OK. Now click on the Authentication field to authenticate the account. Now let's check out the Categories option. First comes the Mails option. All Mails checkbox is selected by default. Or you can select the Apply Filter checkbox option if you want to apply filter to your mails. Click Set button after selecting the option. Now you can see a small window appears with date filter options. You can choose Mails date-wise from the drop-down option. After making the selections, click Apply button. Below you will find the Calendars option. All Calendars option is selected by default. Or you can choose the Apply Filter checkbox option if you want to filter calendars date-wise. Click Set button after selecting the option. Now you can see a small window appears with calendar filter options. You can apply the date filter options for calendars from the drop-down. After making the selections, click Apply button. Also there is the Contacts option below. If you don't want to migrate contacts, uncheck the option. And then you can see the Advanced Settings option. Select the checkbox and click Advanced Settings button. In the Advanced Settings option, you can see the folder mapping and the Include Folder List options. Select the Folder Mapping checkbox option. Below you can enter the original folder names from your Google account. And in the next field, enter the new folder name to migrate files into. Then comes the Include Folder List option. Select this option to include more folders. After entering the details, click Apply button. Then you can see the Append Data into Existing Profile option. Selecting this option will let you export data in the existing folders of the account in which you are migrating the data. After making the selections, click Export button. You can see the file exporting process. After the process completes, click Save Report button to save the file in CSV format. Click Save button and click Yes to close the application. You can also choose the Without Impersonation option. Choose this option to migrate individual user of a Google Apps or G Suite domain. Now let's check out the output file location. Log in to your Office 365 admin account to see the migrated files. You can also check out our single user video link provided at the end of this video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.